Yo, Rubel, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to get iOS 16 12 or beta 3 on your iPhone or iPads. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, here let me show you here in the general and software update. As you can see here, it's giving me the update for the iOS 15.5 developer beta. So how to get here iOS 16 12 or beta 3? Just go back to your home screen and here open up Safari browser on your device and then search for the betaprofiles.com. Here you can see, here it is. So search for this and then scroll it down here, and here is the iOS 16 beta 3. So tap on install profile, tap on install anyways, and tap on allow, close it and go back again, open up settings here, and then here is the profile downloaded. So tap on this and now tap on install, give here your passcode and then again tap on install to confirm the process, tap on not now and tap on done. So go back and here in the software update you can see it's giving me the update for the iOS 16 12 beta 3. So from here you can download and install. So that's it guys for today's video. If it is helpful, please like to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.